In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert online videos in Microsoft Word. If you're creating a report, a lesson, or a proposal, embedding a video can make your document clearer and more engaging, and the process is quick once you know where to click. Start with your Word document open and place the cursor exactly where you want the video to appear. This matters because Word will insert the video at that precise spot, saving you from having to rearrange things later. With your cursor set, go to the ribbon at the top and open the Insert tab. This is the home for anything you add beyond plain text, like pictures, charts, and of course, videos. Now choose Online Video. Depending on your version of Word, it may appear as Online Videos, but it's in the same Insert area. Clicking it opens a small window that asks for a link. Think of this as the bridge between your document and the video hosting site. Have the video's link ready from your web browser. You can copy the URL directly from the address bar of the page where the video lives. Many popular hosting services are supported. Paste that URL into the field in Word. If the link is valid and publicly accessible, Word recognizes it immediately. If you don't see any response, make sure you pasted the full, clean link without extra characters tacked on by sharing widgets. Once the URL is in place, click Insert. Word will connect to the source and drop an interactive thumbnail into your document. You'll usually see a preview image with a play button. This confirms the link worked, and the video is now part of your document's content flow. You can now watch it directly inside Word. Click the play icon and the video streams from the web, so keep your internet connection on while previewing. Anyone you share the document with will also need internet access to play it, and if the video is restricted, they may need permission or to be signed in to the hosting service. If playback doesn't start, double-check that the link is publicly viewable and that your organization allows streaming content in Office apps. That's all there is to it. Place your cursor, open Insert, select Online Video, paste the URL, and click Insert. This simple workflow keeps your file size manageable because the video streams from its source rather than being embedded as a large file. Save your document and you're ready to share a polished, interactive Word file that brings your content to life.